Hi there. Today's Ninja Art Tip is a bit more about drawing in pencil, but with a little bit of a twist. Have a look at what I'm going to show you here. So I've got my journal. I hope everyone's enjoying having this 7-day challenge and creating a page full of little treasures in the journal. I'll just switch to a new page in an ordinary journal. You can do this on any drawing paper. And I've got my Runaway from Home art kit here. And in here I always carry a water brush, and I also carry one of these little babies. So I want to show you about this special little pencil. So this pencil is it's kind of a graphite pencil, but it's got a little bit of something different about it, which is that I wonder if you can you see what I'm doing here? There we go. This is a Koh-i-Noor pencil. The whole pencil is graphite, so from there all the way through to there is graphite. So the only bit that's not graphite is this paint that's on the outside of the barrel here. And so this whole area is graphite that you can use. So you can lay it down flat on your journal and create some really nice wide shading areas like this. Or you can just hold it like a pencil and draw some really fine little things. So just like use it, you just kind of use it like an ordinary pencil. I have no idea what animal this is. What's coming off my pencil is a surprise to me. And so there's lots of uses for this, just like an ordinary pencil. But you might notice on the barrel it says Koh-i-Noor Progresso Aquarelle. So this aquarelle is a French word meaning water soluble. It's kind of aqua is water, so it's kind of waterable. So if you get you can buy Koh-i-Noor Progresso without the aquarelle on it. So that's just an ordinary graphite pencil that's solid graphite with no wood around it. So you can do the same thing as what I'm showing you here with a normal Koh-i-Noor Progresso. But once you get the one that's got aquarelle on it, have a look at what you can do. So I'll show you how to use a water brush in another tip, another time. Just going to get this one started with a little bit of a squeeze of the water coming through. And so once you start adding water onto this, you get this really nice watercolor effect where the graphite starts moving around on the paper. And you can actually start to paint with it. So you can get really beautiful painterly sort of lines. The graphite goes quite dark when you do this, but it picks it up on the brush so that you can actually start brushing with it like it's like it's a normal watercolor brush. So that's a bit of fun. You can go back in and add some extra darks in. What have I got here? I've got an elephant by the looks, sitting down, talking to his mum. There's the elephant having a little chat and a laugh. I've got elephants on the brain because we're about to go to Bali in March with an art retreat. And we're going to an elephant safari. I'm going to paint on location there, which is going to be a hoot. So here's his little trunk, and he's sitting down. So if you've got a single line, you can also wake it up and get that graphite going again. And the same fun can be had with this. So if you've put your thin pencil lines down, you can just add a little bit of water and you get this lovely 3D shading effect that can happen. Or you can just sort of wake the whole thing up and start painting around and make it look a little bit more like a little watercolour painting. Sort of a cross between graphite and watercolour. So it's really a lovely, lovely medium to use. water-soluble graphite is a surprise discovery I made not too long ago, and I absolutely love using it. It's just the most wonderful medium. The fact that you can just carry a stick and a water brush with you in your bag with your journal and get effects like this is just lovely for me. That's such minimum equipment to carry around when you're traveling, when you're holidaying, when you're going on an art retreat overseas, anything like that. It's just such minimal equipment that you need to take, and you've got beautiful paintable effects in your journal. So hope you are as excited about that as I am. I really love the effect of the water-soluble graphite. So don't forget to join us in the dojo at zenartart.com, and please like, share and comment on the video, and join us over on YouTube and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and you'll see all of the video tips there. Thanks for watching.